Welcome to our channel. Today we are sharing practical advice on investments and financial strategies. In today's video, we'll share 10 effective ways to invest your money and generate returns. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced investor, these strategies offer opportunities for wealth creation. Let's dive in. Number 1. Stocks. Investing in stocks allows you to become a partial owner of a company and benefit from its growth. Research and select individual stocks or consider investing in low-cost index funds that provide broad market exposure. Number 2. Bonds. Bonds are debt instruments issued by governments or corporations. They offer fixed interest payments and return the principal amount at maturity. Bonds provide a more conservative investment option with lower risk compared to stocks. Number 3. Real estate. Investing in real estate can be a lucrative long-term strategy. Consider purchasing properties for rental income or invest in real estate investment trusts, REITs. That pool funds to invest in a diversified portfolio of properties. Number 4. Mutual funds. Mutual funds pool money from multiple investors to invest in a diversified portfolio of stocks, bonds, or other assets. They offer professional management and are suitable for those seeking diversification with minimal effort. Number 5. Exchange-traded funds, ETFs. ETFs are similar to mutual funds but trade on stock exchanges like individual stocks. They provide diversification and can track various market indexes, sectors, or asset classes. ETFs offer flexibility and liquidity. Number 6. Peer-to-peer lending. Peer-to-peer lending platforms connect borrowers with lenders, cutting out traditional financial intermediaries. By lending money to individuals or businesses, you can earn interest income on your investments. Number 7. Retirement accounts. Contributing to retirement accounts like 401ks or IRAs offers tax advantages and helps you build a nest egg for the future. Take advantage of employer matching contributions and choose investments that align with your risk tolerance and time horizon. Number 8. Dividend stocks. Dividend stocks are shares of companies that regularly distribute a portion of their profits to shareholders. By investing in dividend-paying stocks, you can earn a steady income stream while potentially benefiting from stock price appreciation. Number 9. Commodities. Investing in commodities like gold, silver, oil, or agricultural products can provide diversification and act as a hedge against inflation. Consider investing through commodity-focused funds or buying physical commodities. Number 10. Start your own business. Starting your own business can be a rewarding investment. It allows you to capitalize on your skills and passion while potentially generating substantial income and building long-term wealth. And there you have it, 10 effective ways of investments to make money. Remember, each investment strategy carries its own risks and rewards. So it's important to assess your financial goals, risk tolerance, and conduct thorough research before making any investment decisions. We hope these investment ideas have inspired you to explore different avenues to grow your wealth. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and turning on the notification bell for more valuable content.